y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It. Today I have a huge haul from several stores over the past few months. So sit back and relax and get ready for me to show you from Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Ollie's, and Tuesday morning with a little bit of Walmart. And I may have to break it up in two, so let's get started. So I found this pretty sign that says "Count Your Blessings," and this was from Hobby Lobby, and it says $9.99 and it was 40% off. I found this a couple months ago, and I'm not going to break down the prices right now for you, but isn't that pretty? Because I'm trying to go with my new kitchen, like the yellow bumblebee colors, and you'll see once I start working on my kitchen. So I thought that was fabulous. And that's just a little plaque that I am going to hang up to always remember, which I always live by, count your blessings, because God is good. Is Home Goods. I found this beautiful sign that says "Believe." This is for the girls' room, of course. Fabulous color. Isn't that pretty? And this was $7.99. So I'm going to put that up on their bookshelf. I may try to hang it, but I have to figure out maybe how I'm going to hang it. But anyway, got this, Believe. And then I found this nice white with the, the chrome silver on it, soap dispenser, and this was $6. See that, and it was marked down clearance, $6, and then I got the matching. I used this for my toothbrush, my electric toothbrush, and that was $6 as well. And it has the removable lid. I'm not gonna unwrap anything because I'm not ready to set up stuff yet, but I thought this was a fabulous deal, $12 for this nice set. All right, so we're gonna move on to, I think this is Walmart. Yeah, let's get the Walmart stuff out of the way. I believe it's Walmart. No, Ollie's. We're moving on to Ollie's. So I found this nice clear shower liner, and it was $2.99. Now, my bathroom, I have a separate shower and I have a garden tub, but I like to change out my shower liners. When I do videos, you'll probably see me always showing you a shower liner. I just like to pick them up and, put them in my linen closet so the shower curtain is fresh. And then I found this toilet brush holder for $5.99. And I think I've gotten 3 so far. I don't know. I was just picking up stuff when I seen it. So I have an extra one to always change out, and it's got like the Paris theme on it. So I'll probably utilize this one in my bathroom. So I found those two things from Ollie's. And then while I was in Ollie's, give me a minute. They had these pretty 4-panel window panels, and these were $17.99. And it's unheard of to get 4 panels in a package for under $20. And I got it in that gray because this is like the silver my room is going to be. So I got that one. And then I found it in like the beige kind of gold reflection, 4 of them. And these were $17.99. So hopefully you can get to your Ollie's and try to find these curtain panels, because I actually have 2 windows in my dining room and in my front room So I'm gonna put 2 on that window and 2 on this window, and you'll see when I hang them up. And lastly, from Ollie's, I'm having a big, housewarming party and 4th of July, but after all the guests leave, I have people that are coming for like 2 weeks at a time, to stay with me. That I'm having back surgery soon, May the 19th, and then again in June. But anyway, nevertheless, once they leave, my husband will have his bathroom back, and I figured I would get him like these soft blues and tans. It's a 14-piece bath set, and it was $9.99. And you can see the pattern right there. And it comes with, the curtain hangers. And then it has the shower curtain and the tub mat. So when I redo his bathroom, he'll have these colors in it. And if you watched any of my Bed Bath & Beyond videos, when I was getting all those deals for the bathroom, that blends in with the tan color. So we're moving on to Tuesday morning. And trying to get everything up here for you. Because I've been buying and totally forgot a lot of this stuff that I had picked up. So it's like all new to me, and I'm excited, to share it with you. So let's get this out. This packaging. Forgot what this is. Oh, okay. All right, so I found 2 of these, and these are the Jasmine 6-scented drawer liners. And how much were they? They were $5.99 a piece. You can see that. Oh, and they smell so good. Look how pretty the packaging is. I got 2, which is a total of 12. So I'll, put them in my dresser drawer, in my bathroom, and if I have any left, I'll save, I'll put some in the girls' room in their little drawers. So I got those. And then I found this unicorn for $3.99. And it chipped, it must have banged up on something. I thought this was cute for Ariana's desk, because she still has to do, summer work. And she could put her little fancy pins in it. So that was cute. Got that for her. And then I found this cute bumblebee. Look how nice, look how cute that is. And big bumblebee on top. And these were $7.99. And this is all Tuesday morning. So I got a nice butter dish. And then I found the matching creamer and sugar set in the same pattern for $7.99. And that'll go where my, my new coffee station is. And I am just double checking. I know I have other stuff, but as I unpack, I will do videos on all my fabulous new finds. So I'm hoping that you're able to get out and find maybe some of the items that I picked up or similar. Once again, I think the deal of the day out of this video was these your window panels. 4 in a pack for under $20. This is the deal today. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a lovely comment, and if you're new to the channel, thank you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another shopping haul. Bye-bye.